This was the campsite at West Branch last night. Not a bad campsite. There's also water here. A few dingoes howling during the night. Now, first thing in the morning when the sun shines, get the solar charger going. Charge my 70 watt lithium ion battery. Always find a sunny spot. Just leaving West Branch camping area. Heading for Mt Moffatt this time. Didn't make it last year. Now that I'm on the fat bike, it should make it. Bit of climbing to get out of the West Branch on soft sand, on the white sands of Carnarvon National Park. This is almost bull dust more than sand. It's pretty nice just to ride on past these escarpments. So I met a guy who was up here working, Kangaroos, 1959 to 1963, and he trapped like on a couple of days. We had one carcass had been killed by, not sure if it was dingoes or that died anyway. Then he put traps there and got 6, 7 in a couple of days. Old stockyards. I met one of those guys just a few minutes ago. This is Sandy, the white sands on the way to Mt Moffatt. Progress has slowed. It's not fast along this. The flies are going in your eyes. It's so annoying at the moment. Oh, they're on the warpath. Like 15 kilometres, and it's real soft sand, can take a while. I know it's only in patches, and then so I should get in at least 5 kilometres before it gets, and then I won't know what it's like because I haven't been there. There's corrugations and sand, and dingo prints in the sand. Always following dingo prints in the sand these days. Rugged landscape. It's pretty old. Sandy corrugations. Trudging on. A little bit tired from yesterday. So, yesterday was going to be a real easy day. Ended up being reasonably hard just because I did that extra 15k one way, 15k back, and then getting to camp right on dusk, right when the sun was just setting. We put up tents and all that, and you cook your food, and before you know it's 8 o'clock, it's bedtime. And repeat the process. But it's okay if you get more in your day that way. I haven't seen any dingoes. I've heard them every night so far. It's pretty impressive just to cycle along. You can see a lot more of it because they've done the burn off. There's not much vegetation left. Yes, there's still dingo prints in the sand that I'm looking at. And these sandy sections last time, I really struggled. Pretty much I had to walk a fair bit of it on the coca, so that's why I abandoned it. Whereas this time, yeah, it's slow going as long as I keep a straight line. And I haven't got the tyres down to 5 psi, they're about probably 15 to 20 psi at the moment, something like that. Seen a few kangaroos, a bit of bird life. Haven't seen any wild pigs, but there's a lot of markings for them, and there's a lot of markings for dingoes. I haven't seen either of them today. I think I turned around here last time because I thought, nah, it's too sandy for me. It is sandy. Yeah. Yeah. Cattle shit. Just concentrating on Mt Moffatt. Yeah. And cattle shit all over my leg went flicking up. Anyway. Can't be that bad. It just feels wet and yuck. And it's fresh. No point in getting wet. Unless we have to, which we still may, but we'll see. Best way to get around this is yuck. Ugh. That's what I was getting flicked up on me, and it's all under my seat where I grab. Ugh. Ugh. Yuck. Yuck. Cattle shit. Cattle shit. Cattle shit. Ugh. Right on my seat, right where I go to grab. How ironic is that? Not what you want. Look. It flipped up on my leg as it was. Let's push through this creek. 1 mile creek. Or bog. Precariously balance. These little turbo boosts that you have to do to get over these little bits as you come out of creeks. They do a lot of burning off. It's like, I don't know if it's a burn off, a forest fire, but it's devastated. Something I read too recently was when they do burn offs, that a new plantation sucks up a lot of water from the ground because it's got a lot of growth and stuff like that. But an old plantation that's say 50 or 100 years old doesn't need to suck up so much water because it's already done its growing. Like an adolescent, when teenagers grow, they eat a lot, same as trees. They drink a lot. So by doing a burning off, I imagine we do the same principles, and the land needs to suck up water, and these places are almost in drought all the time, so I'm not sure it's that smart an idea anymore. Well, that's Mt Moffatt. It's actually quite steep on the top. I'm going to go climb it. I don't know what they're running from. They're running quick. As you can probably imagine, there's no formed walking tracks. It's a self-discovery. Follow the animal tracks and work with the topography. Hope this little spur leads us the way there. Koala. I can see a koala. How's that? That's amazing. Mr. Koala, yes, please turn your head. Hello? Hello? Mr. Koala. They often call them koala bears. See? He's up a pine tree, that's most unusual. Mr. Koala Bear. We'd like to see both eyes. No, he's like, no, I'm going back to sleep. Oh, Mr. Koala. It looks like this little one runs out. This spur. So it might be best to go around to the side of it. It's very steep. This is quite dangerous. That's why I'm going slow. But this looks like it might join as a spur, hopefully, and not just a knoll. Yes, I realise Mt Moffatt might be difficult. I might not be able to get there. And then I have to leave before the sun gets close to the horizon just to make sure I get back. It's frozen. So it's below zero. Ice. Just below zero. Today, I'm heading out. That's it for my food supplies that are left, so that's a good reason to head out, isn't it? Yep. An apple and that little bit there, that's it. Eating everything else. Got about 100 kilometres or something like that. Yes, that's my 5th day today, and it's time to get back to June towards where the car is. It was a really good day yesterday again. Got to see a koala, which was pretty amazing. I was not expecting that. It's funny, last time I came here, I probably did about 5, 6, 7 kilometres into it and then turned around. If I'd gone probably another 2 kilometres, it wouldn't have been bad at all. Soft, fine white sand. With lots of dingo prints around still. I think they hunt at night with the moon. But I get the feel that maybe not. Maybe just opportunistic. And whenever there's prey about. Try and avoid the corrugations. Another fence, a relic from the past. It used to be a cattle station. I thought it looked like there might be rain coming by all the high clouds yesterday. I don't really like getting wet unless it's necessary. Cleared up to a perfect blue sky day. Sunshine. Not much wind yet, just a tiny spit. And lots of sand. I do remember this bit being one of the worst bits in the whole park. Sand. Took me a long time to ride on the Koga and walk. Because it's hard just walking through sand because you sink in a lot, especially when you've got a load. If you can ride it, it's easier to ride, but when you compromise and you have to walk, you sink in also, and it just makes the whole process harder. The road slowly gets better, mostly. Not great, but it won't be sand like this for that much longer. So once I get to that, I know I'm getting closer to the other cathedral and tombs and hourglass and chimneys. Cathedral Rock. Slowly trudging along. About 30 kilometres to go. 10% gradient. So this is a steep downhill. Showing you what Super View shows, and this is 10% gradient going down in a sec. So it's quite steep. It's not very often I catch up to vehicles. Cockatiels, aren't they beautiful? I've well and truly hit the wall. Like a ghost is riding. It's just before 4 o'clock and I'm here. Until next time.